In today's video, I will walk you through how to add text in CapCut PC. Like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once you are inside the editor, open the project where you want to add text. From here, go to the top left area of the screen and click on the text option. This will open the text panel. On the left side, select Add Text to begin working with a basic text layer. You may also notice preset options, but these usually require you to sign in before using them. For now, stay in the basic section. Choose a simple text style from the available options, then drag it down into your timeline. Once it is placed, you can control when the text appears and how long it stays on screen by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline. Make sure the text layer is selected, then move to the top right panel where you can edit it. Under the basic settings, you can type the text you want to display. You can also change the font, adjust the size, and apply styles like bold, underline, or italics. There are additional options to change the color, spacing, position, and overall size. You can also adjust details like stroke to give the text more visibility. If you want to explore more styles, you can switch to templates and apply a different look to your text. You can also open the animation section to control how the text enters and exits the screen. Finally, go to the preview window and click on the text directly. You can drag it to reposition it anywhere on the screen until it looks right for your video. That is how you add and customize text in CapCut PC.